What's up, guys? The dogs are barking, the birds are chirping. It's a great day in beautiful Orangeburg, South Carolina. I'm here at 2858 Raleigh Street, right here in beautiful Orangeburg. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this property before I give you a tour. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath home, fully renovated in a great neighborhood with no HOA. I'm going to say that one more time. No HOA for my no HOA lovers out there. Hey, if you're looking for something priced under $240,000 that's ready to go with all the bells and whistles, come with me as I take you on a tour to show you what this home has to offer. Let's go.